If you do any of these 7 tiny money habits, you'll stay broke forever. Most people do at least 3 every single day and think they're harmless. But once you spot them, it becomes impossible to ignore. Let's see how many you're guilty of. Money trap number 1. Death by micro-spending. Your wallet isn't destroyed by one big purchase. It dies from hundreds of tiny, it's only €3 moments. Snacks, coffees, impulse apps, delivery fees. If you spend €5 a day, that's €1,825 a year wasted. Track every small purchase for 7 days, you'll be shocked. Money trap number 2. Lifestyle creep. You earn more, you spend more. New clothes, new gadgets, nicer restaurants. Your income rises, but your bank account doesn't. When your income increases, freeze your lifestyle for 6 months. You'll save more than you ever have. Money trap number 3. Subscription blindness. Spotify, Netflix, Disney+, cloud, gym you don't use. These are silent thieves. Cancel 3 today. That's hundreds saved yearly. You won't even feel the difference. Money trap number 4. Being late with payments. This one destroys your credit score quietly. And a bad credit score means higher interest, higher insurance, higher loan payments. AutoPay exists for a reason. Use it. Money trap number 5. Brand loyalty. You're paying for logos, not products. Generic equals same ingredients, same factories, same quality. Save 20 to 40% instantly by ditching labels. Money trap number 6. Emotional spending. Bored? Hungry? Rewarding yourself? Brands are designed to target your feelings. Solution? 48-hour rule. If you still want it after 2 days, buy it. Instant gratification is expensive. Money trap number 7. Copying friends. Your friend's financial life is their highlight reel. New shoes, eating out daily, latest tech. You see the purchase, not the debt behind it. Spend based on your goals, not their habits. Bonus trap. Future me will pay. Debt isn't free. €300 today becomes €700 next year with interest. Never buy something on credit if you can't pay it off instantly. If you're guilty of any of these traps, fix one today. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe so money stops controlling you and you start controlling it.